So here we have the next one we're doing. This is Ricky Craig's 350Z Pro car. Behind me here on the floor, we just brought in on the forklift, we have a 1,000 horsepower VQ. It is bored and stroked. It's a 4.1 liter. It is going to have, we're gonna do it has Borg-Warner turbos on it. We're gonna do external wastegates out of the hood, and we have the most beautiful, beautiful intake manifold that we are putting on it. Who makes this intake manifold?
You have the camera, you can show it.
I have the camera. I have the tools that we can show what it is we're dealing with. Please hold.
It's super special.
Doo-doo-doo. Oh, that's pretty.
That's ridiculous.
That is what we're putting on top of this puppy. Oh, I can't wait to get this in there fired up. This will solve all of the problems he's having with the kinetics intakes. He keeps blowing the seams on them, blowing the welds off it. So we got this puppy. This is not gonna blow up. This thing's gonna hold full boost, 1,000 wheel horsepower. Look at him. Watch us put this thing together.